Ever wondered if there's more to health than just diet and exercise? Welcome to the world of holistic health, where the focus isn't just on the physical body, but also on the mind and spirit. Holistic health is a concept that believes in treating the whole person, mind, body, and spirit to achieve optimal health and wellness. It is about creating balance in all areas of life: physical, emotional, social, and spiritual. In the realm of holistic health, it's understood that each of these parts has a direct impact on the other. An imbalance in one area, whether it's physical, emotional, or spiritual, can cause health problems in other areas. That's why a holistic approach to health doesn't just stop at treating symptoms, it digs deeper to find the root cause of the issue, addressing it from all angles. Let's take a deeper dive into this. Imagine a life where physical health is not just about the absence of disease or illness, but also about a robust immune system, high energy levels, and a body that feels strong and capable. Now, expand that concept to emotional health. It's not just about avoiding negative emotions, but also about nurturing positive emotions like joy, contentment, and love. It's about learning to handle stress in a healthy way and fostering strong, positive relationships. And finally, spiritual health. This doesn't necessarily mean being religious. It's about understanding your place in the world, having a sense of purpose, and feeling connected to something bigger than yourself. The beauty of holistic health is that it recognizes the interconnectedness of all these aspects. It acknowledges that health is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a complex tapestry woven from many different threads. So, what are the main takeaways about holistic health? First, it's about balance. Achieving optimal health doesn't mean perfecting one area at the expense of others. It's about creating a healthy balance between your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Second, it's about prevention. Instead of just treating symptoms, holistic health focuses on preventing illness before it starts. This could mean eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, practicing mindfulness, or seeking therapy when needed. And finally, it's about personal responsibility. Holistic health empowers individuals to take control of their own health. It encourages self-care and self-awareness, and recognizes the role of individual choices in health outcomes. Holistic health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes to create a healthier, happier life. It's about living in harmony with your body, mind, and spirit, and recognizing the power of each to influence your overall health. So the next time you think about health, remember, it's not just about the physical. It's about the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. That's the power of holistic health.